Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates.
नमस्कार स्वागत छ सिक्किम क्रोनिकलमा हिजोदेखिको पेलिङमा फर्स्ट कञ्चनजङ्घा एडभेन्चर मिट थालिसकेको छ र आज भने यो जुन ओलम्पिक ट्रायल हुँदैछ है च्याम्पियनशिप यसमा आज भने स्काई डाइभिङ पनि हुनु गइरहेको छ दिस इज फर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन सिक्किम Welcome to Sikkim Chronicle. We have a skydiver all the way from Mumbai.
Yes.
His name is Sajid Chogle.
Yes.
Welcome to Sikkim Chronicle.
Hey, thank you so much. The honor is mine. Thank you.
So, talking about skydiving in Sikkim, what is the scope of skydiving? What do you feel?
As of now, we're just going to do some demonstration jumps and just introduce people to what free fall sport is, because people know about paragliding, like they say, I mean, that's the most common aero sports that you see in India, right? So the whole idea is to educate the crowd what free fall sport is. So basically, I'll be flying in a tandem paraglider and then just jumping off it, free falling for maybe 5 to 10 seconds hopefully, and then deploying my parachute and landing safely. People usually don't know about this sport that much, and it all starts about introducing these kind of activities to the public and then hopefully educating people about it, getting them into the sports. Once more people know about skydiving, the infrastructure can be worked upon. You either get helicopters or you get planes, and of course you need airspace for that. You need to develop an airport for that. I think there's an airport in Sikkim, no? Okay. So exactly. So all these things then come into the picture, but the main thing is to first just educate people about these activities. You know, like everyone thinks, oh my God, these people are crazy. But then that's not the case. We need to show them, hey, it's a very well planned activity. These people are doing it professionally and not putting their lives or others' lives in danger. That's where it starts.
How do you think aerosport boost up the tourism in the state?
Different ways, right? Like through aerosports, like for example, in paragliding, you have tandem paragliding where you have an experienced instructor who takes a passenger along with them in a harness. The same way in skydiving also you can do that. And that's how more and more people, like not everyone is going to become a solo skydiver or a paraglider. Sometimes people just want to experience it for like either their bucket list or just to have fun or to challenge their fears. That's how you basically start boosting tourism.
So apart from Sikkim, where are the other places where you have like done your skydiving?
In India, I have just few weeks back I was invited by Uttarakhand State. There was also a paragliding event over there, an accuracy championship, and so I made a demonstration jump over there. The crowd went mad, they really loved it. I was in Karnataka early, just before COVID happened. I was in Karnataka, we jumped over there. Otherwise I keep jumping in Himachal of mountains, in Bombay of of paramotors, in Maharashtra of mountains, and then all around the world. My favorite places are Scandinavia, like Norway, because I get to jump mountains that are like 1 kilometer high over there. Yeah.
Okay, so at the end, what message or appeal would you like to give to the aspirants who wants to do something in aerosports?
Sure. The whole idea is do not approach the sport what you see on social media. Okay, oh, it's a great rush and I want to do it like mad people, you know. Just take it easy, learn about the sport first, research about it, understand how aerosport works, understand the physics behind it, right? This is all science. It's not like you just wake up out of your bed, put a parachute, go and jump. No, there is science behind it. Understand all that, get a mentor, make sure you're learning everything from them, find instructors who are willing to guide you in this field. All the information is there online. You can always find me online and approach me with your questions, and then just find an institute which is conducting good courses. That's how you basically start into these things.
So how long do you think Sikkim will take in this field of aerosports? Because as of now, there's only paragliding happening, no, and skydiving, of course. So how long do you think it will take?
That's a very tough question to answer. I mean, it all depends on how they showcase these kind of activities, what kind of government support do you get, because a lot of the times we are dependent on that, especially considering you guys are also bordering with other countries. So airspace ka permission milega ya nahi, you know, all these things come into the picture. So depending on that yeah, and of course how many people we can educate about these sports. Hopefully soon, that would be my diplomatic answer, but yeah.
Thank you.
All right, sure.
र यसरी नै फर्स्ट सिक्किम नेसनल प्याराग्लाइडिङ एक्युरेसी ओलम्पिक च्याम्पियनसिप 2020 को खबर र अन्य अरू खबरको लागि सिक्किम क्रोनिकल हेर्दै गर्नुहोला। तबसम्म क्यामेराम्यान विओ डी जेचो र टायङ बुटियालाई बिदा दिनुहोस्।